Welcome to the TCCW DCS Satellite System video tutorial on setting up your satellite downlinking system for a broadcast. This tutorial will demonstrate the setup procedure step by step and provide you with some tips for improving your satellite training experience. First, let's look at the components in your system. Your system will include either a silver decoder and a black receiver, or a blue decoder and a black receiver. Your system also includes a projector, 2 speakers, video and audio cables, and a screen. Next, we will demonstrate how to set up the equipment for a broadcast. We will start with setting up the screen. First, turn the leg supports on the screen to the outward position. Next, set the screen down in a good location for viewing, maybe close to a wall or in a corner. Next, undo the latches on the screen case and open the access door. With a firm grip, pull the screen upward, making sure to pull the screen straight up and with even pressure until it has reached the desired height. That should complete setting up the screen. Now we will set up the projector. First, connect the power cord. Next, connect the video line that comes from the encoder and satellite rack. To do this, connect the video cable to the yellow RCA input on the back of the unit. Now set the unit on a table several feet from the screen and adjust the height of the projector so that the top of the projector is about even with the bottom of the screen. Open the projector's lens cover, press the power button, and let the projector warm up. You may see a blue screen or a black screen that says Alarm Installation Mode. If there's nothing on the screen, press the Source button to find the video source. Now you need to adjust the picture so that it fills the screen but does not extend beyond the screen. To adjust the width of the picture, use the telecontrols on the top of the projector. Once the width is set, adjust the focus for the sharpest picture. This should complete the projector setup. Now, let's hook up the speakers. First, connect the 2 speakers with the 1/8 inch jack. Next, connect the power for the speakers. Now connect the audio lines that come from the encoder and satellite rack. There will be a white and red marked gray cable to make this connection. Finally, turn the volume control up to a middle position and then adjust as needed for the size of your room. This should complete this setup for your equipment. Here are some tips on what to look for to ensure that your system is functioning properly. Be sure to set up your system at least 30 minutes prior to a broadcast. A broadcast signal will be sent out 30 minutes before each program so that you can test your equipment. During the test period, you should check the decoder and see if the red blinking light has turned green. The green light indicates that you are receiving our signal. Remember, never make adjustments on the unit in the rack case unless you are asked to do so by the engineering staff at MTSU. When calling to ask a question of the presenter, please remember to take the phone outside of the listening area. Because broadcast signals have to travel long distances, there's a delay between the time you speak into your phone and the time it takes for you to hear your question on the broadcast. By stepping outside of the room, you will avoid any confusing echoes that may occur. This will allow you to speak more clearly. We hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful. If you need further assistance with your satellite system, please call 615-904-8352 or toll free at 1-866-904-8352.